Welcome back to Korea by Hand. In the last video, we learned how to piece together consonants and vowels to form clear, natural sounds. Today, we'll keep building on that. Be sure to follow along and practice with me. Let's go! This is coughing g sound. K, ka. This sounds like alphabet E. So, E sound. Ka, me. We just learned la. So, 크, 아, 카, 무, 에, 매, 르, 아, 라, 카, 매, 라. What is this? Did you understand this? It's an old style. It's a camera. 카메라. And then you will see this a lot too. What is this? 크, 아, 카, 푸. This was 에 sound. 에. 카, 푸에, 페. 카페. What is 카페? It's pretty much different from the original pronunciation. It's cafe. When I went to Australia to practice English, I worked at a cafe. A little difficult to pronounce. I'm still not very confident. You can also say coffee shop in Korea. Everybody will understand what it is. Coffee shop. There are so many coffee shops. So many places sells coffee in Korea. It's like, there are at least 5 or 10 coffee shops or places sell coffee in one big block in Seoul. Very competitive. There are so many nice, pretty coffee shops. And the taste is so good too. We spend a lot of money, drink coffee every day. Coffee is not cheap in Korea at all. But, we are addicted. 크, 아, 타. 타. This is E sound. This is 어 sound. 트, 아, 타, 이, 어. As I told you, this doesn't have sound. E, it's E. It's 어. So 타, 이, 어. 타이어. What's 타이어? It's tire. 타이어. 푸, 아, 파. We just learned 파. What is this? 스. And we haven't learned this, but you might easily read. This is 트 sound. 푸, 아, 파. 스, 으, 스. 트, 아, 타. 파, 스, 타. This is one of my favorite. Pasta. Koreans love pasta. There are many Italian restaurants in Korea, and it costs a little more expensive than just compared to Korean normal dishes. Like if you order kimchi-jjigae, then it would cost like 9,000 to maybe 10,000, just average. Then you will get very decent kimchi-jjigae with many side dishes, or the quality of kimchi-jjigae is so good, which means it has a lot of meat in it. So if there isn't much meat, then the taste could be much better. But if it's pasta, minimum cost could be 12. If you go to a nice Italian restaurant, the cost could start like 14,000 or 15,000. But what can you do? I can make nice kimchi-jjigae at home. My mom ran a kimchi-jjigae restaurant several years ago. Our restaurant was very popular until she broke her arm, so she quit. But anyway, so I know how to make kimchi-jjigae really nice. But I don't know how to make pasta really nicely, so I have to pay. By the way, Korean pasta is very different from Italian original pasta. And pizza as well. Ha. And the example here is mu. This is O sound. So mo. And this is E sound. So, di, nu, i. Ha. Mu, o. Mo. Nu, i, ni. Harmony. What's harmony? It could be a little different from the original English word pronunciation. This is its hint. It's harmony. Is it similar or very different? Do you remember how you pronounce it? You imagine somebody is hitting you while you are pronouncing the single one. So, 그, 아, 까, 르, 프, 오. And the next ones are easy. What is it? 끄, 아, 까. 르, 으 sound. 르. 프, 오. 보. 느, 아, 나. 르, 아, 라. 까, 르, 보, 나, 라. 까르보나라. What's 까르보나라? Carbonara. What's the carbonara? Can you guess? It's similar to, the hint is pasta. Carbonara. I don't know exact pronunciation. This is not English word. It was a little difficult to find English example. So, carbonara, we call it 까르보나라. Korean carbonara is very different from the original ones. Korean carbonara is much more creamy. 뜨, 따. 뜨, 아, 따. 푸, 으. This is L sound, alphabet L. 뜨, 아, 따. 푸, 으, 푸. L sound. 따블. This is, I think, very different from the original English word pronunciation. But can you guess? This is, surprisingly, double. Double became double. Double became double. it's very difficult to fix pronunciation because they have used this for a long time, like entire their lives. But young people will use double, like, can I get double shot please? double shot이요? Something like that. double, double. 부, 뿌, 빠. We just learned 빠. And this is 르. As I told you, E sound, alphabet E. So 레, 르에. This is T sound, 으, 트. 뿌아, 빠, 르에, 레, 트, 으, 트. 빠, 레, 트. 빠레트. What is 빠레트? Can you guess? Is it English or French? This is palette. Palette. 빠레트. Palette. 스, 스, 싸, 싸. And the example is E. This is 니은 here. So N sound. 스, 아, 싸, 이. N sound. 은 sound. 싸, 인. 싸인. What's sign? This is sign. Similar? 주, 짜. And 짜. I couldn't find any loan word example, so let's move on. Now you've learned every consonant of Korean language. So now you can read every Korean consonant except the final consonant combination, which is called 받침. We'll learn next. Since we've learned all the consonants, actually we have a song for kids. 가나 다라 마바사 아자 자카타파하, like this. Next, we're going to learn how you pronounce all of them. I hope it helped you learn Korean as a beginner. Please like and subscribe. Please. See you in the next video and more.